Do you need to spicing up a bit your Tabasco holder? In today's How to Slice, you're going to be checking out some awesome Tabasco holders. So let's take a look. This is the Hot Flames Tabasco holder. As you can see, it's spelled hot and it's flaming hot. So if you want to spicing up a bit your Tabasco holder, this is the one to go. Let's take a look at the best print configurations for this model. As you can see, I just opened up the model in Prusa Slicer, and this is a really nice model. First off, let's go to the print settings. Over here in layer height, we're gonna be reducing the layer height to 0.18 millimeters. This way we're gonna get a better quality print. If you want to go an extra, you can be reducing to 0.16 millimeters to get a better quality print. Just remember, the lower you go, the more time it's gonna take to print the model. So in this case, as we're gonna just print one model, I'm just gonna be selecting 0.16 millimeters just so we can get an extra quality print. As for vertical shells, we can leave it at 3. Let's go to infill. For infill, you can be increasing to 15% infill, so we get an extra rigid print. As for infill pattern, we can leave it at a gyroid. Gyroid's a really nice infill pattern because it prints in waves, so your printer never prints on a straight line and does not enter a state of resonancy, so it reduces the chances of your print failing, so you can leave it at gyroid. As for skirt and brim, we do not need any brim because this model has got a good bed adhesion to the table. As you can see, it's got a good surface adhesion, so your print is not gonna unstick from the build plate, so you can leave at a 0 brim width. As for support material, this model does not need any support material. It's optimized for printing, so you do not need to select support material. As for speed, you do not have to reduce the speed. You can print at your standard printing speed because it's a fairly simple model to print. If you want to get a better quality, as I said, reduce the layer height. But as you can see, it's a fairly simple model to print and will look really nice in your dining room table. So let's slice and see. So as you can see, the model is sliced, and you may not have any difficulties when printing this model. What you can do is print multiple models in one single build plate just to make sure you get lots of models printing. As you can see, the flames are gonna print perfectly fine. If you feel like the flames right here are turning a little bit messy or not good quality, you can be reducing the speed to print this tiny parts. As you can see, if you go over here to feature type, go to speed, you can see that the speed slows down when printing the flames. That's why you're not gonna have any problems. You don't need to manually change the speed values because it will be doing automatically. So you're not gonna have any issues with that. So the model is ready to print. Make sure you check all of our models in stlflix.com, and happy printing to all of you.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STL Flix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.